33. Mrs. De La Cruz was identified to be at risk for thromboembolic disease. So pag sinabi natin thromboembolic disease, at risk siya for a thrombus, okay, or an embolus, and has anti-embolism hose ordered. Nurse Kelly discusses the correct use of the stockings. Which direction should the nurse include in the teaching plan? So alin daw dito ang magiging teaching plan mo for patients with anti-embolism stockings or hose? Answer here is letter B. The most appropriate time to apply the hose is before standing to get out of the bed in the morning. Okay? So bakit siya before arising sa bed? So remember, the anti-embolic stockings will maximize the compression effect, thus lessening venous distension and development of edema. So mas nako-compress ng mabuti ng compression stockings yung affected leg if ito ay nilagay before you get out of the bed or before the patient will get out of the bed. Okay, so aside from using your anti-embolism stockings, frequent ambulation will also do a positive thing. So incorporate frequent ambulation sa care plan nyo kay patient.